The AveoTSD Tongue Stabilizing Device is a unique approach at treating snoring and mild sleep apnea. It works by retaining the tongue in a forward position by gentle suction and the help of its bumpers that rest on your upper and lower lip, allowing positive airflow. Living for many years with compromised breathing during sleep and suffering from dark circles under my eyes, I'd finally found something that helped. I immediately noticed a major change in my appearance. After a week, I could see the circles under my eyes go away, and my overall energy levels were at an improved rate throughout the day. Fitting the unit was a matter of pressing the bulb to release air, which creates the appropriate pressure. After relaxing my tongue, the unit fit perfectly and stayed on all night. The next day, my partner told me that my snoring was either eliminated or greatly reduced. Possibly to those looking the first time for a quick fix, the initial cost could be a barrier, but I think the fact that it reduces or cures snoring more than justifies the full price. I saw room for a slight enhancement that could be made to let more air in through these sides, but luckily this isn't a problem for the AVO. My overall rating of the unit is very high, and I've been feeling much better every day compared to not using anything at all. Altogether, I would have to give this product 4.5 out of 5 stars at doing the job well, and I would highly recommend it to anyone trying to stop snoring, especially in conjunction with a nasal dilator, which I will be reviewing in other videos.